Hello everyone, today I am going to review this book of Vinod Publications. Its name is Pedagogy of Environmental Studies. The cover of this book is very nice. It's a DL-Ed ATT first year book. It is strictly according to the new syllabus prescribed by State Council of Educational Research and Training SCERT Punjab. It's a bestseller book of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted education publishing firm of India. The book is in Punjabi medium. So let's quickly review this book. First of all, unit wise syllabus is mentioned. Unit 1 concept of environmental studies. These are the topics. Then unit 2 understanding children's ideas. Then unit 3 classroom transaction and assessment. Unit 4 planning for teaching. Then contents are given. Now we have to check whether the contents match the syllabus or not. It covers everything of the syllabus or not. Like unit 1 concept of environmental studies, meaning and components of environment, meaning of environment, components of environment. Then introduction, nature of environmental studies, need of environmental studies, importance of environmental studies, till curriculum organization of EVS at primary level. You can verify it with syllabus of unit 1. Meaning and components of environment, meaning, concept and nature of environmental studies, till curriculum organization and of environment at primary level. Now we have to check out unit 2 of contents and match with syllabus, like perspectives in EVS learning, cognitive development theories, schemas, process and stages of development. So these are the things of unit 2. It's still ECIRR model. So let's check this out whether it matches the syllabus or not. Like unit 2 perspective in EVS learning, cognition development theory, stages of development, till ECIRR model. You can check this out. And then unit 3 started. So unit 2 is also clear. You have to check out unit 3 and match contents with syllabus. Classroom transaction and assessment, inquiry approach, meaning and nature, role of teacher in inquiry process, and it's still making good guess hypothesis. So check out unit 3 syllabus. Unit 3 inquiry approach, meaning and nature, role of teacher in inquiry process, making good guess and hypothesis. So unit 3 is also very clear. You have to check out unit 3 of contents and match it with syllabus. Unit 4 contents and match with syllabus, like concept map, thematic web charts, till reflecting on classroom practices. You can check this out. Concept map, meaning, construction and uses, till reflecting on classroom practices, completely there. So all the 4 units are completely there. Contents cover everything of the syllabus, and it's given in the contents are given in both English and Punjabi language, so that both English and Punjabi kind of readers can easily buy this book and easily understand whatever is there. So we have to now check out the page numbers which are mentioned in front of contents. Are these accurate or not? For example, if I go to page 181, whether I'll find understand how children make linkages or not. Let's check this out on page 181. See, 181 make linkages with ideas is completely there. So page numbers are also very rightly mentioned. There is no problem in that. Also the topics inside the book are also highlighted in both English and Punjabi, so that both Punjabi and English kind of readers can also buy this book and easily understand it. In the back side of the book, the other ETD books for first year as per new syllabus prescribed by SCERT are also mentioned. The price of this book is just 229.50 rupees only. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon, or you can call them directly at 9876384590. You can also buy this book from any available bookstore nearby your location at rupees 229.50 rupees only. You can also go to Facebook, Twitter and YouTube of Vinod Publications and check out other books. You can email them at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com. You can also, if you have any complaint, you can go to the helpline email ID at help@vinodpublications.com. You can visit their website at www.vinodpublications.com. So 229.50 is the only price of the book. Buy it online on Flipkart, Amazon, or call them directly at 9876384590 or buy it from any available bookstore nearby location at 229.50. It's your choice. I highly recommend this book of Pedagogy of Environmental Studies of DLED ETD first year SCERT book, bestseller of Vinod Publication, which is the most trusted publishing firm of India. Must buy this book. It will definitely help you in exams. Thank you, Sam. Thank you so much.